IPL 2024 match number 2 Punjab Kings vs Delhi Capital. Both team playing 11. Punjab Kings playing 11. Number 1 Shikhar Dhawan. Number 2 Johnny Bairstow. Number 3 Parabsimran Singh. Number 4 Atharva Tide. Number 5 Liam Livingstone. Number 6 Jitesh Sharma. Number 7 Sam Curran. Number 8 Harshal Patel. Number 9 Kagiso Rabada. Number 10 Rahul Chahar. Number 11 Arshdeep Singh. Delhi Capitals both team playing 11. Number 1 David Warner. Number 2 Prithvi Shaw. Number 3 Harry Brook. Number 4 Mitchell Marsh. Number 5 Rishabh Pant. Number 6 Lalit Yadav. Number 7 Akshar Patel. Number 8 Mukesh Kumar. Number 9 Kuldeep Yadav. Number 10 Khalil Ahmed. Number 11 Lungi Nagiri.